Hi all, lovely Irish summer which only lasts a few days, and this beautiful car got me excited, and here I am live in flesh. I thought I'll make an appearance in my shorts and the Crocs. So just to show you my new purchase, I have this for a few months and I haven't done anything, so that's not going to be a review type video. It's just going to be to show you what I've got myself into basically. So what we have here is a 02 E39, BMW E39, and the reg is kind of cool, I suppose. 02, which is 2002, D is Dublin here in Ireland, and 22,000 is just the number or the reg. And it's not very fancy or small, but it's kind of different than others. But anyway, so it's a 2002 BMW E39. It's a 530i. Yes, I finally got an M54 B30 engine car, which I have fallen in love since, and which this video might not show that because there's no sign of love shown to this car yet. So that's the whole point of the video as well, that what I have the car or what condition it is. There's going to be, as you can see, it's dirty. I have it for a few months. I haven't got a chance to do anything to it because of work and few other bits and pieces. So what I'll do now in a second is go through all the bits and pieces which are kind of wrong with the car, which I will be hoping to fix and show you then as well, making videos. And the color, for most people who know the BMWs of this era, it's topaz blue or topaz blue, whichever way you pronounce it. But I think it's a lovely color, even though it's filthy at the moment, but it looks beautiful in the sun. So I'll just let you show you the car for a quick second, and we'll see you in a second with a few bits that I can show you on the car. So starting with the front lights, as you can see, they're fairly faded. I think they're from outside, so I'm going to be refurbing them as well, or restoring them as they call it. That's one of the things. The bumper, then there's a bit of lacquer peel. That's easy fix, nothing too major, I believe. Then the lovely M54 B30. So as you can see, there's nothing missing as such, you know, from the first look, and it actually runs fairly smooth. Just a bit dirty in the whole engine bay, like everything else in the car. So I'm going to be cleaning that up and hopefully keep you posted. And there's one issue, alright, there is some oil leaks here, and I think I've pinpointed it to the oil, the engine rocker cover. That's fairly common in these, so hopefully we'll get to fix that as well. And I bought the air filters, oil filters, and all that kind of cabin filters and all good stuff. So we'll be doing a bit of maintenance as well as we go along. And the next thing is your lovely Style 32 alloys. As you can see, they're being curved. Not the worst I've seen, but they definitely need a clean and a refurb as well. That's what I'll be doing. The tires look okay, but I'll get a good set of tires as well, especially on the other side. They're punctured and all gone rough. There's new discs and new pads from the last owner, so that's very good. We'll move on to the outer side still. See, the blacks or the trims are all kind of gone faded, and all the areas here and the strips here as well. So we'll try to sort them. And the next things in the interior, it's a lovely black leather interior, and very good condition for the age. Definitely needs a good clean and maybe a bit of restoration to the leather itself. It's the M Sport door sills, they call it, I think, or whatever they're called. I'm not too big into these things, but they definitely look good and they're more valuable. And then the next thing is the steering wheel on this car, which I love. It's being refurbed by the last owner. That's one of the good things about the car. And it has the lovely perf leather and the M Sport stitching, the blue and red colors and all that good stuff. The car has about 137k miles, which I think it's not too bad at all for the age of the car. And the next thing then you would notice, and a lot of the people will be disappointed, is the automatic gearbox in this. But believe me when I say that there's not many of these cars for sale, or not any of them with a manual gearbox. So that's what I ended up buying, and I'm very happy with it. I've driven it and it's not as bad as they say. But definitely a manual is a manual, so hopefully we might see a manual conversion or whatever on it. So that's my take on that. And just a few buttons on the radio and stuff, they are a bit finicky, so I'll replace them. And it has the older kind of classic radio with CD changers and all that, even cassette as well. So I am hoping, or actually planning, to upgrade that to an Android unit. So stay tuned for that as well if somebody likes that. The wood trim, it doesn't look too bad in person, but we'll see if I get my hands on a black, piano black trim, I think they call it. If I get my hands on that, I might go with that. The next thing then is actually, this thing is cool because the E30 I have is also fitted with a Morphean gun alarm system. It's just a garage, I think, up in Dublin somewhere. I'm not sure if they still there or not, but the E30 is fitted with that as well, and this one as well. So that's just something cool, like. And the next thing you notice, the door is unlocked, but it's not unlocking and not opening basically. So that's one of the things I need to fix. I have actually managed to open it from inside, so hopefully when I get to fix it, I'll make a video on that as well. And the alloy on the back as well, it's deeper dish and deeper curve marks as well, so that's what it is. We'll fix that as well, hopefully. And if you see here, there's not much love shown to the car, as you can clearly see, so hopefully we'll get all that sorted as well. And as I said, the car was parked for a while before me, and when I got it as well, because I was just busy. So I've been using this for my part storage as well, temporary. So hopefully we'll get all that cleared. I have some parts received already for this car and other cars as well. So hopefully we'll be making videos. I'll be making videos when I do all the parts change and stuff. And the lights look in good condition. We'll move around. The paint's okay overall, but some of the areas do have rust bubbles coming out, but they kind of look solid enough. So hopefully we'll get them sorted as well. And the alloy on this side is very similar to others, but the tire is punctured on this, so there's no air. So I must sort that. It's looking very bad. I actually feel very bad now by looking at it now, but it is what it is. And I've left it in this condition as well on purpose, just to show you how it looks. The leather, as you can see, the condition of the leather is fairly okay for the age, but it just needs a clean. All the windows and stuff work, I'll see now. Oh, it's the car is turned off maybe. So, and the same on the front, very similar. And also one of the things here is, one thing is that it's the M Sport leather as well, so it has all the lovely side and front bolsters, and it's good few ways are adjustable. And also one of the things, as I was going to say, is I'm not sure how you take this off, but I have seen it before. It's a full complete first aid kit, and it's brand new, it's never been touched, so that's cool. And here a big cobweb, or a few cobwebs, so I'm to blame for that because the car, I have it parked for a while. So all this will be getting cleaned. And the same on the trims here, the black trims, are faded, so we'll get them sorted. The front alloy, I actually started to feel very bad about the tires because the condition looks okay, but they're losing air, so I'll sort that now, the first thing. And that's about it, I think. If we were to give you a quick shot of the car as well again, the front bumper, I think it looks great, apart from being dirty, but everything else works as it's meant to be. Thanks for watching the video up to this point. I hope you have liked it some bit. I know it's not a review video, it's not a very fancy video, it's just benchmarking where the car is now and what I'll be doing with it. So like the video if you actually liked it, and subscribe to the channel for more videos on this car to come, or any other videos that I do. And please let me know in the comments what would you like to see on this car or in any other videos. So thanks again, and we'll see you in some other video.